welcome back to Watch Me Royal channel. Today I'm going to be making some lemon pepper salmon. Here's the ingredients that I'll be using today. It's a 3 seasoning recipe for the salmon, and I'm just going to cut up some bell peppers, tomatoes, and scallion. I'm also going to be just cutting up enough so I can use for later on in the week, just to make my job a little bit easier. It's a good practice as well to just cut up your vegetables if you know that you're going to be using them, to cut them up and have them ready for any dish that you're going to cook. It just makes you more prepared, and it also makes the process much faster, guys. So I am cutting up just the bell peppers for this recipe because I am going to be sauteing that with the vegetables. I am making some asparagus and also some sugar snap peas for my side dish for the lemon pepper salmon. Like it tastes good and it's very light. So it's nothing too heavy. You know, during the week you eat a lot of rice and bread. So I just want to lay off of that and just have some veg and salmon tonight. So for the salmon seasoning, I will be using Cool Runnings lemon pepper and 2 teaspoons of that, 2 teaspoons of Mrs. Dash, as well as some peppercorn. Now guys, you can use as much peppercorn that you like. I'm going to be cranking this up about 5 to 6 times because I am running low, so I gotta go get some more just to make sure that it covers my salmon properly. Once I get all my seasoning on, guys, I'm gonna just massage that into my salmon. So I did leave on the skin because I do like when I either sear it or grill it, it has a crispy crunch to the skin, so I do leave it on. Now I'm going to get ready to put my salmon onto the grill after I massage in the seasoning. So I did marinate that 30 minutes before adding it onto the grill. So listen to that sizzling sound, guys. I'm going to get ready to put my asparagus onto the grill as well. I am going to put at least half teaspoon of butter so that when I'm sauteing it, it has a nice, you know, buttery taste. And then I did put some peppercorns on the vegetables as well, and then I'm just gonna saute it. It takes about 10 minutes total to get it all cooked. Like, it's a quick dish, it finishes very fast, guys. Thanks for watching, guys, and this is the end result. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. See you soon. That feels good.